Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of not today's newspaper. Today's newspaper is actually Friday, October the 22nd. No, it's actually Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, the edition of Tuesday, October the 19th, 2021. Because the Wednesday edition is already solved, and the Thursday edition, there were no puzzles in extra puzzles in the Thursday edition, so no additional in the Thursday. So I've decided to continue with the Tuesday edition. In this one, we have three puzzles left: the Two Stars Sudoku, the Tectonic, and the Binary. And this one will be number 3574. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. And for a 2-star Sudoku, my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of threes. Let me see. Can I do something with the threes? 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places for the 3. Should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then the 5 in this column, last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be here. Alright. And I think I cannot continue with the 5. How about yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see there an 8, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And do we have a pair? No. Well, we have a pair. 3 and 8 in this column. 3 and 8 in the middle column. Oh, no. We already have a 3 there. Let me do this. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. One of the missing number in this column is a 1. We have 3 missing numbers. 2, 9, and the 1 is missing. 1 is missing, yes. So the 1 could be here or there, because in this box we already have a 1 here. So the 1 could be here or could be there. But we already have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So now we have 2 and the 9 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Okay. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in the third row. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing, 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. Alright. Then. How about 2, 9, 7. Okay. 2, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. There 2. No 2 here. Only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Then 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in the last row, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6 in this last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. Alright. Alright. Then. How about? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Now we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. I cannot fill this here. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. The 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. I've marked this 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box will be an 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, quicker than the previous Sudoku, yes. And I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later for the third puzzle, a binary puzzle I will do. There are 2 puzzles left, the binary puzzle and a tectonic one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.